In today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify identity on Stripe easy. Start by logging in to dashboard.stripe.com on your preferred web browser, and you'll be brought to your main dashboard. If your account isn't verified yet, you'll see a message at the top prompting you to verify your identity or activate your account. Click that prompt to begin the verification process. This step is necessary before you can start receiving payouts or using Stripe in live mode. Next, fill in your basic information. Stripe will ask for your full legal name, date of birth, and home address. If you're registering as a business, enter your business name, registration details, and tax identification number. Make sure all the details you provide match your official documents, as Stripe uses them to confirm your identity. After filling in your information, you'll be asked to upload your verification documents. You can choose to take a live photo with your device's camera or upload clear images of your ID, such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Make sure the photo is well lit and the text is easy to read. Blurry or cropped images can delay the process. If prompted, take a quick selfie to verify that you match the photo on your ID. Stripe's system will automatically process your information using secure verification technology. This step only takes a few moments and ensures your account meets financial security standards. If you're setting up a business account, Stripe may also ask for your company's legal documents or ownership details. Upload them directly on the same page if required. Once everything is submitted, click Done to finish. Stripe usually verifies accounts within a few minutes, but it can take up to 24 hours in some cases. You can check your progress by going to Settings. Now, go to Account Information in your dashboard. Once your verification is approved, Stripe will automatically activate your account for live payments and payouts. At this point, your account is fully verified, and you can start accepting payments securely without any restrictions. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.